Welcome back. The Nigerian Stock Exchange opened bullish today at 0.35%, with most of the banking stocks on fairly strong bargain. Let's talk to Rotimi Fakeje, our CEO, Enterprise Capital. Good afternoon, Rotimi.
Good afternoon, Rotimi.
Now, the new FX trading kicked off today, and we saw the stock market open bullish. It's few hours to the close of trade. Are the bulls still in charge?
Yes, the market opened on the bullish trend, 0.35%. But thereafter, speculative drive came in. Some of the prices that initially gone up are coming down right now. And so the market is still in continuous trading. But I think the uncertainty concerning the present price of the dollar at about 1.255 thereabout is still affecting the market. So some speculators have actually booked into the market, stock market are actually picking up their position. But I want to believe that even at the negative position of 1% right now, I believe that the market will not close that way today.
So you're saying that it is the price they are quoting for the naira, that's about 209. That's what's driving up the speculation in the market right now.
Yes, a lot of people are believing that the dollar will open at about 300 to naira. I mean 300 naira to a dollar. But I think it's not coming that way, and investors, a lot of people are just trying to be cautious, so they are trying to take up what they have in the market and remain liquid, while they watch how the trend goes by the end of today and even early tomorrow. But to me, with the market at 1% down, I don't really think the position of the market is going to end that way today. There's still going to be a lot of improvement, even if the market does not close positive. So I think we begin to see more reality of the present pricing mechanism for the naira by the end of trading session tomorrow. And I think at that time we'll be able to say that yes, indeed, this is where we are.
Now, looking at the banking stocks, what is the performance of the stocks right now? Hello, Rotimi. Looking at the banking stocks, what is the performance?
Yes. Yes, I think for the banking stocks today, I think they are the worst hit, aside from Nigerian buildings that have lost about 5%. Most of the banking sector stocks are on offer, and they are traded as high as almost 5% above their opening price today. And particularly the likes of the UBA, the likes of Access, the likes of Guarantee Trust Bank. The majority of them are on offer. But I think it's just speculative. This is not the reality that we're going to end the market with today. So the trading continues, and I think the banking sector stocks. The sector index for that sector right now is at a negative of 2.4%. So if things get better, we definitely affect the OSHA index as well, and I think the market is close much better than the negative 1% for the OSHA index.
Now, Rotimi, this is just the first trading day of the week, and you talked about cautious trading by, the investors there. Are we likely, going to see this cautious trend for the rest of the week?
No, it's not going to be. If you recall quickly, you look at the closing position for the week as at Friday was over 7.6% positive, and that brought the year-to-date position of the market to 2.11%. So usually Mondays are very, very comes with cautious transactions, and having seen this today, I believe tomorrow this kind of caution is going to be thrown to the air. And I believe investors are really going to go headlong and take up more shares. So we will definitely see the trend changing significantly by the close of trade tomorrow. It's not even too close to call for today, because the day has not still about 35 minutes of trading session to go. So a lot of things can still happen. And I believe that those things will only affect the market positively.
I thank you very much for your time, Rotimi. That was Rotimi Fakeje, CEO, Enterprise Capital. Well, finally on the program, South African mobile phone operator MTN Group has named Vodafone European cluster head Rob Schutter as its new chief executive, ending a near 8-month hunt for a boss. Schutter, who will start no later than July 2017, replaces Sefso Dabengwa, who resigned last November after a $5.2 billion fine in Nigeria exposed corporate governance flaws of Africa's biggest mobile phone operators. Shares in MTN rose 3.8% to 150.19 rand in early trade today, outpacing a 1.7% gain the blue chip JSE Top 40 index. Schutter, an accountant with experience in managing risk, inherits a company in the middle of overhauling its corporate governance standards and in search of new revenue streams as tough competition hit profit margins in its key markets. And that's it on the program. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Chimizi Obi Wago.